Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing a single, bite-sized task and setting a 25-minute timer. This creates urgency and limits drifting. Once done, move all likely interruptions out of reach and turn notifications off so you remove small temptations. Make sure to assemble essentials, water, a notebook, and any files or apps so you won't stand up and lose momentum. You're starting work immediately. The point is to trade vague intentions for one focused sprint, which trains your attention muscles. You now run repeated Pomodoro cycles to build sustained attention, work 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break, and repeat. This rhythm balances effort and recovery. While working, single task. Close extra tabs and keep only one active file so your brain resists switching. Also, tune your environment. Brighter light, upright posture, and a decluttered desk reduce cognitive load. If you feel fatigue, take a longer break or stand for 10 minutes. These adjustments help you maintain. You finish each session by spending 5 minutes reviewing what you accomplished and writing the next concrete step. This closes the loop and primes your next session. Once done, record your focus length and common interruptions to spot patterns. Measure progress week to week as a simple percentage improvement. If focus breaks down, troubleshoot. Shorten timers, change task type, or enlist an accountability partner. If none of that helps, consider sleep, nutrition, or professional input, because physiology sometimes limits focus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.